Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I haven't done one in such a long time and there we go, let's lighten up my face a little bit for you guys. Here's a face reveal for you guys. Yeah, I was supposed to do this when I reached 100 subs, but I thought I'd do it right now for you guys. I haven't posted in a while and I certainly haven't streamed for a while. There's been lots of reasons for that. One of the reasons being is I recently started back up working and I am working pretty much flat out every single week. And I also go ahead and see Jack's gaming. So that is that. That is why I don't. One of the reasons why I don't stream, and also because why is my hair doing this? There we go. The other reason why is because I have broken my earphones again. I need to get some new ones, which I will be getting very soon. But I've also been really busy with my new job, which I do on top of my other job, which is I work with Avon and I'm my own. I work my own hours, blah 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 blah. And I've been trying to pitch more on that as well, so that's going great. But I have missed making videos for you guys, so I'm going to try my very hardest to upload at least once every week at the moment, and that would be for Saturday or Sunday. I am going to be doing a lot more art videos as well, and I am going to be trying my very best I am going to be trying to as well make some more streams when I eventually get some new earphones. I don't play Fortnite that much anymore, but I'll quite happily play for your guys' entertainment. I might not buy the battle pass, but I will generally suck it up and do it for your entertainment anyway, because I know you guys love it when I rage and things. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this craft that I was going to do. So for this craft, you're going to be needing some scissors. I'm actually using fabric scissors. I use these as my everyday scissors as well. I just really like them. But you can use any particular scissors. This is for, this particular video isn't made for children, purely because these scissors are extremely sharp. I have cut myself at one point and I have a scar on my finger from doing so. And because I am talking about my live streams and things as well that aren't made for kids, that is why this video is specifically not made for children. So without further ado, I'm just going to quickly grab over onto my bed here, which has everything out at the moment. These is what I'm making, and I put, here you go, which is a homemade paper bow. I make them out of the old catalogues that I get. So these are this is the current Avon catalogue, so I'm not going to be tearing this one up. But in the previous campaigns, which they've all gone now, because I don't keep every single one of them, I might keep only one for the pages in the book. But I had to basically take out all of these pages, make them into something like this. And then they turn into something like this, which is a paper little ribbon. It looks like the Christmas ones, obviously just they're not as festive. They're quite neutral for birthday gifts, for sending things out and you want to make them look really pretty. I will show you an example. So I have this packaged up with a little ribbon on here, which is for someone that won a prize from me. So this is what we're going to be making. I'm going to set up my camera so it's a little bit more easier for you guys to see. But I just wanted to show my face, give you a face reveal so you guys know who I am. And then it makes my art videos a lot more easier because I can actually go ahead and show you like this without having to sort out all my my phone camera and stuff to kind of fit to my face. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to come back and I would have had everything set up. But hi guys, so I'm back. Welcome to my desk. So here we have the bits and pieces. So I have one here already, but I'm going to put that aside. So what you want to do is you want to make sure your paper is more or less straight. So something that doesn't look like, let me show you, like this, for example. So I have a pretty crinkled up bit of paper. So what I do with that is I cut it to the neatest point as possible. Doesn't have to be completely straight, but so it's got a straight edge and not a crinkled up one. That makes any sense. Depending on how big the bow is, depends on how big your page is. So for example, these are the smaller pages in the book. So if I show you with my catalogue here, these are the smaller pages in the book, and then these are the bigger pages. So they're slightly, ever so slightly bigger. I've got a smaller one here, which is fine. So what you want to do is you want to fold in your edges. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see a little bit better. Trying to give you a good enough view. Here we go. So you want to fold it in half. This is, let me just do this. So this is folding it in half lengthways. Like this. So not like this, but like this. Then you want to continue doing that again one more time down the side like this. And then you want to fold it one more time after that. So then when you fold it back out again, you have 8 individual little square creases. Now then what you want to do is you want to then cut those 8 pieces out with your scissors. So this can be a little bit dangerous if you know, for the smaller children. This is more of a technical thing, which is why I said this is not really made for children, as the children might need adult help with this, which is absolutely fine. So we cut along the lines. So I'm going to, I'll speed up these parts that need to be sped up so you guys are not watching me cut all at the time. Okie dokie. And there we have it. So then you've got 8 little strips. Now you want to take 4 of these strips. I'm going to take these ones, take them by the end of the paper, try and make them as equal as possible. So it's like this, and then you want to cut a little bit off them, which is what I've just done. So I have now some smaller pieces and some larger pieces. Now I'll quickly demonstrate the shorter pieces, as you can see. Let's zoom out slightly, there we go. So now what you want to do is you want to take your glue and you want to basically glue a little dot along the side here and then fold in a little bit. So you kind of make like a little hoop section. Then what you want to do is you want to glue in a little dot inside the little circle that you've just made and press that downwards. So just a little bit on the side, so you end up having like a little skinny 8, and you want to continue doing that to all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys. I'm going to come off camera actually and do this. Okay, so I'm back. So I am yeah, so that is basically how you do let's brighten up my face, there we go. So that is how you make these cute little gift bows. If you want to know how to make them, any other crafts similar to this, maybe maybe like how to sort of incorporate 2 colours rather than just sort of like where I do mine from brochures, they're all different colours anyway, and I quite like that. But if you want me to show you how to incorporate 2 different colours in one, then let me know in the comment section. Of course, the comment section is going to be open to you guys, as this particular video isn't made specifically for children, so you should be fine. So yeah. By the way, I know I showed my Avon book. This isn't a sponsored video by Avon, so just make that clear. I'm just happen to be using their magazines because I work for them. If you do live in the UK though, and you do want a brochure, then let me know in the comments and I'll give you one. I'll send you one over. But yeah, so at the end of the day, I really liked making these. I know some of my customers really like having that little extra detailing on their packaging. They do like that a lot, so that is definitely why I do it. But yeah, so I do want to also say I want to run another Q&A, so you can ask me any question, any assumptions about me, and I'll answer them for you. Again, it'll probably be something like this because I don't have any earphones yet. So if you have any assumptions or anything you want to say to me, something like, for example, an assumption would be you're a messy person, then that's basically what I mean. Like I will answer all of those things, give you my opinion on them, that kind of thing. I thought that'd be a really fun video to do now you've seen and had a face reveal. I am also working on my editing a little bit more to try and make it more fun for you guys. But yeah, so if you do enjoy me sort of showing my face a lot more, then please give this video a like. That might be very, 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 very appreciated, because I will know then you guys enjoy my videos. And if you want any other art videos, make sure to comment any suggestions. I do want to get my hands on eventually the Scrawler box, which is a mystery art box, and try and make some art with it, because that is a well-known challenge for that. So I know a famous YouTuber who does that, which I really enjoy her artwork, which is drawing with waffles. I'll have her linked in the clickable I button for you guys, along with Jack Gaming. I just double check. I haven't made a video for you guys in so long that I can't even remember the channels that I support. I know who I support, but haven't mentioned them. And yeah, Jack_Gaming, sorry. You should go check him out. He'll be linked in the clickable I button as well for you guys. And in my at the end of this video, it will also be in the clicked section there for you to go check him out, show him some love. I am pretty sure we're trying to get him up to 120 subs. We have almost got there, guys, thanks to your just thanks to your kindness and for your support. So I believe if I check out one of his videos, he did recently, why is this not loading? There we go, guys. Yeah, so he's on 117 subs, guys. This is, it's going to be back to front, but this is his YouTube channel. So obviously I'll link that in the clickable I button, and it'll be in my end part of my video too for you guys. I think there's a couple of things I wanted just to say thank you about to you guys. I'm just trying to think. Sorry, guys. I did want to say thank you so much to the people who left me a really nice message over the past 3-4 months about saying that you missed me, missed me making my videos. So some of those people I'm going to be placing up around here now.